Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to check your graphics card. To do this, click on the Start button, then go to Settings, then select System, and in the System scroll down to the About section. And in the About section, you'll see the information about your graphics card, like the video RAM amount, video memory amount, and the name of the graphics card below. For me, it's AMD Radeon Integrated Graphics. And if you want to learn more about your graphics card, right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, then go to Performance section right here. Then change the tab to GPU, and in GPU you'll see the name of your graphics card, and you'll also see the information about it right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.